Assalamu alaikum. This is Shakil Mondal, the last three digits of my student ID 1 to 4. Today, I'll going to present on the topic of Bangladesh exchange rate system. Exchange rate plays a critical role in international trade, investment, remittance, inflation control, and overall economic stability. In this presentation, I'll discuss the evaluation, current mechanism, challenge, policy recommendation regarding the Bangladeshi exchange rate system. Introduction. Exchange rate is the refer to the value of one currency in the term of another currency. For Bangladesh, the exchange rate is very important because it is directly effect on export, import, remittance, inflation, foreign investment, and foreign exchange reserve. A stable exchange rate helps to maintain economic confidence and support the sustainable economic growth. Historical evolution of exchange rate system. Bangladesh exchange rate system has gone through several phases from 1972 to 1979. Bangladesh followed the fixed exchange rate system. Between 1979 to 1991, a current basket system was used. From 1991 to 2023, a managed floating system was adopted. Since 2023, Bangladesh has officially followed a floating exchange rate system. These changes was introduced to make the economic more adaptability to global market conditions. Current exchange rate mechanism. At present, Bangladesh follows a more flexible exchange rate framework. Bangladesh Bank monitors the foreign exchange rate and occasionally interview the reduced escape fixed rule. The IMF classified the Bangladeshi exchange rate arrangement as a evaluating towards greater flexibility while monitoring macroeconomic stability. Market participant. There are also several participants in this exchanges market: Bangladesh Bank, commercial bank, exporter, importer, remittance provider, and foreign investor. Factor influence the Bangladeshi Taka exchange rate. Several factors influence the value of Bangladeshi Taka. This including foreign exchange reserve, inflation rate, interest rate, trade balance, remittance inflation, government and central bank policy. Changes in this factor can either stronger or weaken the value of Bangladeshi Taka. Recent challenge and exchange rate volatility. Bangladesh has recently faced several exchange rate related challenges. This including exchange rate volatility, pressure on foreign exchange reserve, increasing inflation, weakness in the banking sector, global geographical uncertainty. These challenges have increased the pressure on the country's external sector and overall economy. Comparative analysis. Different type of exchange rate are exist in this market. This including interbank exchange rate, buying rate, selling rate, card payment exchange rate, etc. This difference occasionally because of transaction cost, market demand and supply, and banking charges. Suppose a worker send $1,000 from abroad. If the exchange rate is 120 taka per dollar, the reciprocal will receive 1,20,000 taka. Similarly, if the importer pay $1 for goods in the same exchange rate, the payment will also same. This example show that the exchange rate challenge directly affect the business and household. We can see the currency depreciation in Bangladesh 2025 uh, 43.53% and India 16.22% and Pakistan 17.17%. Policy recommendation. To improve exchange rate stability, several policy measures can be considered. Greater exchange rate stability, stronger foreign reserve management, banking sector reform, better inflation control, encouraging export growth and remittance inflation. Conclusion. In the conclusion, exchange rate management is the key component of Bangladesh economic policy. A flexible and well-managed exchange rate system supported by sound macroeconomic policy and structural reform is essential for achieving sustainable economic growth and stability. So, thank you everyone. This is all of my side. Assalamu alaikum.